naghanap kami ng traffic light para para tatawid eh. Di kami wala palang traffic light. Yung pagtawid ko, may sasakyan. Nakalimutan ko para pala Pilipinas to ah. Oh, kagaya niyan. No, here. So, kagaya nito, tatawid kami. So, lahat ng mayroon matawid pero walang street lights. Pero at least may pedestrian lane naman.
Alis may good city. Kaya, ikot ka, pakita natin yung good city nila dito.
Found this Philippine flag. Ano kaya mayroon dito? Let's check it out. Oh, di ba? Bigla-bigla na lang umaano yung mga sasakyan dito para itong Pilipinas. Walang hinto-hinto magkanan. Oh, yan ang Manila Green. Oh,
hinahanap kita Manila ang ingay.
Ano yan? Alaman? Puta! Yan ang ilang! Yan ang ilang! Ano?
Ikaw.
Buisit! Ikaw ba yan? Kainin mo na!
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Taste
What?
it or?
Yeah, we're gonna buy.
They're gonna buy.
Yeah.
Oh, you buy? Okay.
We can only see in Bahamas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not in everywhere in the world?
No, okay.
So we'll try that.
Yeah.
You say
Okay,
that
cup
I'm
of corn.
psychotic,
Cup.
but
Okay.
then you like it like that.
Junkano?
So,
Yes, Junkano.
you said that's only here in Bahamas?
Yeah.
Because this one, we can see it anywhere, right? It's cookies and cream.
Yeah.
So what's the flavor?
Vanilla.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this vanilla.
Yeah.
So you own this restaurant?
Yes.
For how many years?
1 month. Everybody, it's good for you. See?
How much is this?
That's $15. See that before?
15?
Yeah. That's good for you. Yeah.
This one?
$8. Yeah.
What's the best for, what's that? 21 gun salute natural Viagra?
Yeah, that make you salute. Yeah.
This, natural Viagra?
Yeah. You see?
What?
That's good.
Which day this one?
Hmm?
Where's the natural Viagra?
That's right.
Oh, this one. How much is this?
$15.
Oh, expensive.
No. Other places $25. Be the cheapest. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Positive.
This one will salute?
Yeah, yeah, make you salute. No more run from you.
Really?
Yeah, see.
You want to?
Buy more.
You want to try that plate?
It's good. No, it's good. It's good. Women and men use it. It's very good.
Okay, let's buy. I'll pay it back to you.
10 tea bags inside of it. Use 1 tea bag twice.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the direction?
The 21 gun salute. You could use 1 tea bag twice. It's 10 tea bags in the pocket. You use it twice. 1 tea bag.
A day?
Yeah.
Or only?
You could use space it of the days of the week, but you gotta go to work, so you don't want to say, "Come here, honey."
No side effects?
No, only side effect she be running.
Oh, you've tried this?
You tried it? It works?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. She said, use the mind, you the mind.
Oh, really? Ah? Okay, I will try it.
Yeah.
Bumili na siya. Yun na, hawak na
Tignan mo Kuya Ricky kung bibili siya.
Yeah.
Oh, yan ha. 21 guns salute.
Good people planning to buy it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they come very good for this.
Parang po yung kano.
Let's say you're Junkano. Can erect too?
Huh?
Can make you a big man too?
No, it make you have energy.
Energy.
Energy. Yeah. When you have energy.
Tastes good?
Yeah, it is good.
I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. Ah,
Vanilla based.
Yeah. Plenty people tourists buy. They come for this. They come for the cheese.
More than vanilla based, even if different colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the color is just
Yes. Right.
I see on the top like a color.
Right.
But it's good. It tastes good.
Yeah, it is good. I love vanilla.
Yeah.
But, I eat on the ice cream if
Right, vanilla.
flavor is vanilla.
Yeah. See, vanilla goes with anything.
Anything, yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
All right, enjoy. Bye-bye.
Thanks for the tip.
Thank you. You'll be back. You'll be back.
Thank you.
So dito, we also see a Canadian banks like CIBC and Scotiabank. We will stroll that area and to find out ano pang makikita namin doon na maganda. Ha? RBC, meron din daw doon. So let's check it out. Let's go!
You stalk like I'm a piece of meat.
So here,
You're
that's
trying out and showing off. So flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control.
Lord Scotiabank.
I wish I could just hit delete.
50% off.
Why you gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight.
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.
그랬던 나를 와바뀌게 한 건 너. 나를 거울 앞에서 서성이게 만들어버린 너. 예전엔 화장도 안 하고 대충 입던 나인데 이젠 어울리는 옷에 관심이 더 생겼어. 너에게 잘 보이려 화장을 하고 뭘 입을까 고민을 하는 나. 예뻐지고 싶어. 너를 처음 본 순간 나만 보게 하고 싶어. 다른 곳은 보지 마. 예뻐지고 싶어. 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게 예뻐지고 싶어.
친구들이 나보고 변했다고 말을 하면 나를 비웃고 근데 나는 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어 너 때문에 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어 예뻐져라 예뻐져 너만 내게 빠져들 수 있게 예뻐져 예뻐져 예뻐져라 예뻐져 그 누구도 다가올 수 없게 예뻐져 Yes
지금도 네 모습 자꾸 떠올라. 너를 만나러 가고 싶은데.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. A tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning.
Don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Gotta just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one